Now? Oh, we may have something. Yeah, for the OBS dropped my mic for some reason. What the hell? No, let us test background music. Is that working?
Hello there.
Rewind, thank you for the follow. It's not that loud, to be honest. I can... But this is really loud for me, but we will see, because we will be doing some PICO-8 music as well. Also, I'm missing the... Is this it? No, this is not it. Where is my PICO-8 icon? Oh, I deleted my PICO-8 icon of I'm stupid. It should be next to the title, but I'm dumb. Maybe this? Okay, this works as well. But yeah, I'm sorry for the ad blocks. I think Twitch now found the new workaround, and the uBlock Origins team probably working on it. It's weird because I set it for no pre-rolls, and like it pushed an ad basically at the start, which is a bit fucked up, I think, but hey, what can we do about that? So yeah, we are trying to finish the game today for the Strawberry Game Jam. We have 14 hours to finish, so this stream is gonna be the end for it. Not much to do. SFX and music, some particles. There's a Krampus? Yeah, there are multiple Krampus, but I don't know how they say it in English, like the multiple version. I didn't even know they are calling it Krampus as well, because that's the Hungarian word for them, so I was kind of confused. But yeah, this is the game. We are pulling Santa around. It's not actual rope physics, it's just the same way how options work in Gradius. So he follows your past positions. We have bombs to clear the screen, candy canes to give us back life and points, and there should be some gifts as well. And there is a gift! Almost, I missed it. They are spawning a bit faster than I would like, but we were trying to test them, so we will tune down that as well. I saw someone making decoration and use the word Krampus in English too, so it is the word for them, but I don't know how you say multiple. Krampus is? Krampai? Krampai? So yeah, this is the game. We call him Krampus. I'm not sure if the plural is Krampai or not. Yeah, that's what I'm not sure. So even the collection I just named, Krampus collection, most of the time I call it the plural. Yeah, that's the word. English. Like you can see stars. I was like, I'm not sure what Krampus is, but yeah, whoop. We have some debug stuff on the terminal. First thing first, let's restrict the player onto the screen, because at the moment we can just walk off to here and never die. And just choose the game that way. And let's say that's not the best solution. So this is the first easy thing we can do. And now let me switch off from here, and it should freeze because PICO-8 restrict player. Screen. Krampus is probably makes the most sense. Maybe need to clamp or use mid. I'm just gonna check if it is outside and not let it go outside. Happy jamming, good luck. Happy lurking. Hello Fletch. Welcome, welcome. Hope you are having an amazing day. Have a nice lurking. Lurkers always welcome. They are the backbone of Twitch. We will try to finish this today. Lurky cat. Sour cream. Sour cream is back again at the stream. Hold on. Where is my... We can do this, I think? Yep. And now we have the little cat on the head. May I present you the new emotes? Oh my god, what was I... Oh yeah, it's F. We're just gonna do this dirty old trick. It's less than 0. Because we are trying to do this game as beginner friendly as we can. We have the whole development VOD up on YouTube as well. So if someone wants to check out the game and see how things are done, they can. So this is mostly beginner friendly code. If the player is off screen on the left, not is, would be. Player attacks 0, not 0. We already had a kind fellow. Oh, it's not a 120. Kind fellow support us because they liked how simple we are getting things done. So I want to keep that for now. Later we're gonna stream my Dungeon Crawler project, and that is just deep jank. So here we don't check 128 but 112 because our sprite is 16 wide. Done. And we're just gonna do the same with the Y's. Pop, pop, pop. On the bottom. And same, we are 16 tall. And didn't reload unsafe. Oh, I had the music. Oh, hold on. I had music inside. Control S. We save, and now we paste the code back in here. And now we reload. And now we can go off screen. There is no escape from the Krampus. Whee! I mean, technically there is escape because I don't think they are spawning this low at the moment. So we will need to fix that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we are not spawning Krampus that low. So I need to get used to maybe stopping the game while it's running. Oh, the Krampus Yeah, we are only spawning to 112. So this should be this as well. Right? We should see a few that low. Like your trees, I always struggle with making good looking tree. Something about the 2 pixel outline of the snow is nice. Have you seen how they are put together? We have two triangles to showcase the part of the trees, and inside the draw we are just, so each tree has a random height, and we are just stacking these images. What it is? It's on the top. Pickups, stars. Where are my trees? Oh no, they are in the front. They are the last. So yeah, we are just stacking them on each other with less offset than their size. And the last one is always the snowy one. This is our little hack to do these trees. I wanted to do them with tri-fills, but to be honest, I didn't manage to do them. Like, I wanted to do a quick and dirty job, and they looked all over the place. And I was like, maybe there is an easier way. And I think for this game, they work quite nice. Sometimes they overlap, but that is totally fine. I also like how the Krampus can hide inside the trees. Also, our stars are probably too fast in the background, but hey. Their speed is jarring even now, so I'm not sure if you want to do even slower them. But thank you. It's just a small little hack. Up to the top. We are on the screen. Restricted. Particles. I don't even know what I want particles for. Also, technically our stars could be particles. Now. Oh yeah, I wanted them after the sleigh, like little sparkles. The same way I have it with Lino. Sadly they will be monocolored because we only have 4 colors. But do I want to refactor the stars to be particles? Maybe later. Also, I'm the particles X, Y, Z, X, Y, lifetime. Oh. Am I missing something? Size. I'm missing size. Not my usual. Or type, whatever. It can be both. So we create a local particle, the same way we always did with every other function. I should learn the component style syntax one time, but I'm just too lazy. So like when you declare the functions inside the objects, the call self and such. And I think there is a better for each. If you have the functions inside object, SY, the dungeon crawler could benefit from much better architectured code. I'm getting to the point where there are some hacky things. And we add this to a new collection called particles. What? So let me... This is not needed for the time being. Inside init, add the new collection. For storing particles. Candy canes, gift, boxes, and bombs. What is it? Particles. No, not that way, this way. I'm learning so many things at once because I'm reskilling at work at the moment that sometimes I just miss syntaxes. Pickups, trees, stars. We're gonna update our particles in all particles. Iterate through. I mean, even iterate is go through each element inside particles collection. Down side, go one by one. Particle.x. I think I do plus equals most of the time, but fuck knows because I'm not consistent. Particle.y. Particle.sy. Move the particle, the stored speed. Here we can do a funny thing. We can decrease, not decrease, increase y, so the particle has a falling snow like effect. Plus momentum goes downwards. Particle dot sy equals particle dot sy times 101 maybe? That may be too much, but we will see. Particle dot lifetime minus equals 1. Decrease particle lifetime. If 0, delete lifetime 0. Critical. What else do we want? Nothing else, right? They will only disappear if they die because of lifetime. Oh, we want to draw them, though. They probably should be above everything else. And we're just gonna do a p set, which sets a pixel on coordinates. And the coordinates should be x, y, and the color should be particle dot color. Draw particle. And now we want to add those snowy particles. So we go back up to where the player is moving. This is our player handling code. So let's do I want to add them every frame? Maybe. Oh no, not every frame. That's way too much. Put them at every 5th frame maybe. But particles every frame. So if tick below 5. Let me do this because I don't trust law at this point. And we want to say odd particle. And not sure where we want to do, maybe the feet of the reindeer? At the feet of the rain... No, that's not how you say reindeer. Reindeer with E. Reindeer. Right? I think that's how you spell reindeer. And the reindeer is the player, so we're gonna say player.x. That is our leftmost point. And our feet is at the bottom, so it's player.y plus player.height, because we have height. At least I think we have. But you know what, let's hardcode 16 because I can't remember. We're gonna look back in a moment. The momentum on the X should be negative, so they slightly drift towards the left edge. So it should be minus 1 maybe for the moment. And the falling speed should be somewhat low, so they have time to speed up. So maybe 0.2, we will see. Size is 1. Lifetime should be like 60 seconds, not that that's frames. So each second is 30 frames. That's like 150, which should be like 5 seconds. The color is 7. So if you restart now, we have an error. Syntax error for particle in all particles. Do expected near. So in 395. Oh yeah, where I forgot the do at the end of R4. Lol. We are attempting to call a global add particle. So I named the function differently. Add particles? Nope, add particle, please. Just single. And now we have little snow particles coming off the feet of the reindeer. Ding, 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 ding. I think they are falling too fast. So inside where we update them, pick up particles here. This should be maybe 101. They are blending in with the stars in the background. How about if we flash them? See if we do them by flashing. So reset. These are our stars. These are our particles. So inside doing them in only white, let's do them randomly between the black. White is 7. Dark green is 3. And the ugly red is 8. Right? Yep. Looks like. So now they look like little magic particles. I might want to add... This maybe needs to be at the sleigh, not at the reindeer. Who saw many Christmas movies? Where is the stars coming from? The sleigh or the reindeers? But... Particle... Let's modify this to Santa. Oh yeah, that looks much better, I think. Coming off from the... Oh, I missed that. Coming off from Santa. I think it looks much better. Maybe you want more, to be honest. Let's add more. And offset them a bit, so let's let them start at 12, not 16. Oh yeah. But now I feel like I need the second part of the skis on the sleigh, like these sled legs, and those should be here, right? Oh yeah, hell yeah. Santa got the drip. Jingle Bus is not copyrighted, right? I hope so. Oh, we missed that gift. But yeah, the other particle I wanted to do is when I blow up our Krampuses with the bomb, I will also be very sad because I have it. Oh, what the hell? It was miss. Oh yeah, this is harp, not the explosion. Because I have started it. And if this is copyrighted, I'm gonna be mad. Like, I want to finish it, and if they say it's copyrighted, then fuck him. I forgot what I wanted to do. Oh yeah, I wanted to do explosions for the Krampuses when they did it. So hold on. We are grabbing this auto particle. And we find the upgrades. These are the trees, these are the stars. These are where we add the Krampuses. This is the pickup code. And the canes heal us and give score according to how many life we have. Gift boxes, give a flat but high score. Bombs. I cannot type bombs, clear. Green. So before we kill all the Krampuses, we're just gonna do a quick loop around with them. Shouldn't be really affecting the performance because it's like, what, maybe at 10. for campus in all from in campus collection. It shouldn't be much of a performance lag because they are not gonna fill the screen like in a Vampire Survivors game. And what we do is this might be the for I equals 1, 5, 2. We're gonna add the big splash at the Krampus's position. We're gonna add 5 new particles, and here we're gonna do random and choose between 1 and -1, and we're gonna times that with another random number. This first random is gonna select us a direction, so it is left or right, and the second one is gonna have a little bit different momentum because we are multiplying them. So this is gonna generate us a random number between 1 and -1. So they are scattering away. We are doing the same for the Y. And the size should be maybe 3. And color should be 8. So now we have different sizes paused to our particles. We go down here. And instead of doing pset, we're gonna do circle fill, which is gonna draw a circle based on a point with a radius, and the radius should be particle dot size. And I think everything else should look just the same. Didn't reload unsafe changes. What was the unsafe change, you fuck? Oh, the music. Oh, you hold on. Nothing to undo. Now reload. Oh, the one size circle fill is a plus sign? I thought the one is the dot already. Also check the bomb. There is a Christmas bomb. Bam! Oh yeah, we cannot... So now the explosions are also randomly colored because every circle field has a random color attached to them. Can I have another bomb? Oh, that was me, not the Santa. So it's important that only Santa can pick up things, we cannot. So I need to position him better. Whoop. And those particles can go much faster. So we either modify this so it is based on something else, or we have all because of this at the moment all particles are rainbow flashing. So let's go back to what particle Krampus, and this can be much higher. Let's do this for now. Multiply the whole thing at the end. Can I have a bomb? Please. That is a gift box. This is yet again a gift box. Give me bomb. Yes. Bam. Yeah. No, we missed that. Come on, Santa. Oh, I almost dodged that. We're gonna do a little testing and we're gonna assign this whole exploding thing to our button. So we're gonna put it to button 4 just so we can test it better. We're just gonna grab this whole thing. Hop, hop, hop. No? This way. So now we can just clear them with a button. Bam! Oh yeah, they are also slowing down somewhat. Okay, I like the effect, but to be honest, it might be too much for certain people. Like, it is flashing. So we might need to introduce a type to our particles so we can differentiate between explosion particles and just general particles. And we can just draw the Krampus particles as red, maybe? So, let's go to our AutoParticle function. And let's introduce a new variable. It's getting kind of bloated, but we can live with that. And type equals type. So we're gonna store a number inside this so we can differentiate between our particles for the star effect or the magic effect from the slave, which is gonna be ones, and the explosions, which are gonna be twos. And now we just all particles. Is a storm coming? And now inside here, we're just gonna say if particle.type equals 1, then 1 is the slay's magic thingy, thingama thing. 2 is the Krampus explosion. And here we can go back to pset. So they are just only one pixel big. And they can be flashing. Else if particle.type equals 2, then we are gonna do a circle fill, which is particle x, particle.y, particle.size, and particle.color. We could probably get rid of these double calls, and you could in theory say local. So you could somehow save out the color into a variable, and you could save the size out to a variable, and then you could do a simple circle fill based around which type it is. But this is easier, I think, for now. Or at least to me, it's easier to read. Also, when we are updating the inside update, this is the inside update, we only want to slow down the magic effect. So if particle.type equals 1, then we're gonna slow it down. Some magic thing. For explosions, we want to slowly fade them away by decreasing the size over time. So for the explosions, we're gonna say else if particle.type equals 2. Then we're gonna say particle.size equals particle.size. Oh damn, we have an ugly wind outside. Particle.size times maybe 0.95. So let's restart. And as you can see, the Rumple's explosions are slowly fading away into nothingness. I think their lifetime could also be decreased because you can see these one red particles still floating around. So let's go here, and they're just gonna live for like 3 seconds, which is 90 frames. Oh, even that is long. 60 frames. Even this is long, what the hell? Nerd teachers, welcome. How you doing, my friend? You're having an amazing weekend? We have a stupidly big windstorm outside. Yeah, these 1 seconds are, I think, fine. Bam! So we are testing how the bomb will look. Trying to add some fancy things into the game. Taking a nice break from your computer, you deserve it. Now that Pico View is out, you deserve it. Also, there is a PV command, which brings us the last Pico View issue, which is not the teacher, the editor-in-chief is. It's an amazing Pico View magazine with devlogs and interviews and tips and tricks and art and everything else you can imagine. This is the final stretch of the gem? Yes. We have 14 hours left. And I want to finish this today. But we are really close. Like, these little particles are like the last touches. Also, I think... Hold on. Can I do a shout out? Just shout out, yes. And we can do... Nerdy teachers. They're also streaming art and development and everything else. So, check them out if you can. Jesus! What is this one? Oh, it's raining as well. Hold on, let me look at it because it sounds ugly. Ew. Okay, that is an ugly storm that is coming. What the hell? We have minor alerts for thunderstorms. Okay. Yeah, it's not snow. The upper part of the country is already white. And we are still like getting only rain. Yeah, certified Angie moment. Also, we need a better menu for the game. In the end screen. But I think I'm just gonna do the same we have for all the little jam games where the game is gonna run inside the menu. But yeah, I'm happy now with the Krampuses. I still want to do some animation for the reindeer, but we will see. Bam! Explode Krampuses. We could, in theory, add the function that you can collect bombs and use when you want them, and not just when they spawn. That is a consideration. Some projects run and power fluid. Yeah. Just be careful not to burn out. That's the worst when you're not feeling to work on anything. I just like to put things down at that point. Bam. Okay, let's do a few sound effects. Oh, how about that? We're gonna need one for picking things up. And whoop. No, that's... No. Okay. Feeling a bit burned, but also happy to get some of the stuff done. It's weird. I mean, you did a really good job with Dash, so... EMO, you deserve some rest. Do you already have the music for this one? In progress, I can show you. But let's not forget to set back the instrument. Whip, whip. Yep, yep. My usual pickup sound. Just drag the mouse upwards and something will happen. But yeah, this is the bass we have. And we're gonna finish this, hopefully. And try not to get copyright claimed, if it is copyrighted. But yeah, it's just the jingle bells. Maybe a bit too fast, but... Oh, that was Loki. Oh, I'm blind, I hate that people can have the same color. I thought it was... Hey Loki. Hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome, welcome. Oh my god, I hate the colors. Give me a moment. I want to let down the... I don't know the name for it in English, but yeah. I think they are called blinders in English, but not sure. Very cute emotes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm glad you like them. I want to have a little whip whip. Maybe even starting from lower. And we want a hit sound. So for that we will have an explosion. Now let's bring the volume down, so, and the speed. Maybe don't want the explosion. I'm fine with that. Let's save it. And for the pickup sound, we can add them when we collide with the pickups. So that is SFX 0. And for the hurty hurt, we do them when we collide with Krampuses, which is down here. SFX 1. If we collide, okay, Krampus and are not. The music stopped for some reason. I think I stopped it. Not invuln. Then play hurt sound. Reduce life if we have 0 left, and the game. Streamlabs. Why are you doing Streamlabs? That's so shows. Feel free to ignore, but I like Nose plus Instrument 6 to get a crunchy explosion. Oh, I will note that down. I'm just not sure if... Or maybe we can do that for the bomb. Hold on. Here is where the bomb explodes. So you say explosion and noise. Jesus, this wind is... What the hell? Wow, yeah, that is crunchy. Jesus Christ. And let the volume fade down slowly. Oop. Oh, that's crunchy. Wow, that's a nice tip. That is like proper crunch. So clear the screen. Play explosion sound effects, and we can quick test that. Oh yes. Oh, ad break is coming in a minute. It's gonna be a minute long as well. So for the time being, I'm gonna just stand up, scratch my legs. So I advise you do the same, grab some water, take your meds. Oh yes. That is nice. Oh, the pickup sound didn't play. Huh. That's interesting. It should have played. Hold on. What is going on? Did I put it in the wrong place? Hold on. It's particle. Was SFX. SFX 0. SFX 0. Huh. Did I just not save it? I think I overwrote it with PICO-8. Yeah, it should be here. It will be to F break. We're gonna wait for it. Do big stretch. Oh my god. Looks like I'm gonna need better stripping in a few more places. Because the wind does whistle. Ad break ended. Your community is back. If you say so. Did also an hour already pass? We had. Didn't we have already one ad break? I will have to check the settings because I don't trust Twitch, to be honest. It feels like we already had one. It's set to like a minute every hour. That is also a healthy notification that you should probably stand up, move around a bit, and not just sit for all that time. So yeah, when we collided the pickups, play the 0 SFX. Yep. Okay. We have the explosion. Oh, and also the hurting sound stopped. I probably just overwrote it with PICO-8. So we want to that sound to play when we're colliding with Krampuses. Collide. Krampus and Santa. Yeah, the comment is also gone. Okay. Krampus, decrease, and are not involved. Decrease life. If 0, set game over. If not, set a second of invulnerability. And here we want to play the SFX 1. I think that was the sound we did for hurting. Yep. I always like how sound effects bring things together. Now all we need to do is finish Jingle Bells, and I think we have most of the things ready then to finish the game. I just like dragging Santa around. Also, we need to dial back the Krampus number, how it scales up. So at the moment it is way too fast. And we words. And we may need to limit them so they don't come as a solid line on the screen, because that feels like a little bit unfair to me. I forgot what I wanted to do, but I wanted to do something really bad. Oh yeah, finish Jingle Bells. So let's get rid of this loop and go to SFX 12, which is gonna be the next part. So how I did this is I just grabbed Jingle Bells sheet node, sheet node. Which one was it? I think this will work. Hold on, let me pull in the browser window for it. So oh, this is alright, it's resolved. I mean, Jingle Bells is basically the same song, whatever you do, so yeah, this note is also the same. It's two shorts, one long, two shorts, one long, one up, down, up. So hold on. Can I like just open just the image? So we zoom on this and I searched for, what was it? Sheet music notes. And this little thing is gonna tell you where each note is on a sheet. Can I open it on a new window? This one? So you just basically pair up the notes on the sheet. And this is not that sheet. This is Jingle Bells. So you can see that this note is on the line. So you check this, and the note on the line is an E. And that is how this note is an E. Now, which octave you want, that's up to you. I'm not the fan of anything, even on the 2, not even speaking on octave 3. This is just way too high for my ears. So that's why you see 1s all here. And the 4s here are the breaks between two notes. I hope you can hear them. Let me stop this. So the 4s are the different note passes. And if you see, we have double 1s and a long. So this is 1 ticks inside a 4/4 music, which basically tells you how many notes are inside 1 second. So this is 1, 1 and the 2. So that's why on PICO-8 you see 2 4 long ones. This is the 1, 1 and this is the 2. And we do that again because that's how the notes go. So now we do the second line, which is not E, but I think that's the G. No, that's the F. So we just go to the next. We set the speed to 8 back. And we have how many Fs? Hold on. Let me go back to here. So we have 4. So that is F there and F here as well. Then we have another F. This is the second part of the note, this one. I don't know the terms, so you're stuck with me trying to explain things. This is also an F on 4 notes, or like 4 little notes, which is the 1 long note there. And then we go down to the line, which is the E. So if you go back here, you can see that the one note on the lowest line is the E. Put in the start for that. Let's go back here. Then we have 3 E's. Okay, so that is 1. That is 2. That is 3. And then we go for the next octave. Not octaves. I don't know what is called the next part of the song. So these two are coming up. Oh, so that is an E. But here, oh no, where is the E? It was 1 E. It is one below E, which is the D, right? Yes, it is the D. So then we have 2 Ds and 1 E's. Okay. So D, 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 E. And then we have 2 long notes at the end, which, so this note, I think this line is notifies us that this is a blend between the 2 notes. So this is a D1. Yet again. And the upper one, which is that? That is a G. Right? Yeah, that is a G. No, that's an F. This is a G. And how you can do the blend is, I think you do 5 for the last note here so that it fades out, and I think you do 4 here, but I could be switching them up. So yeah, you heard it, it's just smoothly went weep. I'm also no, it is a full note. Okay. Oh, how is it? Up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, that should be it. And now we have the rest of it. So let's go, let's go. And after we are done, we can maybe do the second part of the song, and we can play it on 2 tracks of the available 4 inside PICO-8. So the one on the line is E. Oh wait, this is just the first one repeated, right? So this line is just this repeated. Yeah. And this is different. Yeah, this is neither this, neither this. So let's do the last one, and we can put the song together inside the pattern thing. So it is starting in the midline, which is F. It is 4 Fs. This is 1, that is 2, 3, and 4. We just do this. Oh no, it's 2. No, it's 4. Okay. Then we are having another F. Let me. Oh my god. I wanted to clear out the effect because it applied to every node. So it is an F. It goes down by 1, which is the E. So we have an E there. It's a triple E after it, okay. So we have 4s and 4s. So this is the first two parts of the last one. And this is the last two parts, which is yet again a one up on the line, which is the G, if I remember correctly. Yes, that is the G. So we go, where is it? This is the G. People not finding the G, the classical joke, right? We go back down to F. And we go back down to, that is the D. We started at the G and now we are at the D. That's it. Oh, and this is just 3 parts. There isn't a fourth one. There should be a note here. Isn't there a deep note at the end of Jingle Bells? Or is this one? Are we talking about this one? Is this the follow-up to this? No, right? That's the... That's for the other hand, right? I think that's how sheet music works. This is one hand, and this is the other hand, right? So this is the bass's last note here, not the melodies. So our song goes... So the first part is 10, the second part is 11. Then the third part is 12. No, the third part is back to 10. That's the same as the first. And the fourth part is the 12. And now if we loop this... Oh no, I messed up something. Hold on. Oh, hold on, this is 11, then we are gonna do 12 and 13. These are the second part of the song, right? Hold on. And here it is missing something. This... Down. I'm missing a part somewhere. Doesn't I know? Yeah, we are trying. So we have each of our SFX is 1/2 of one line, right? So it is 10, 11, 12, 13. Then back to 10, 11. Okay, hold on. So it is 10, 11, 12, 13. No loop. Back to 10 and 11. And then we have, so 10, 11, 12. What the hell? I confused myself. I should have somehow numbered these. 10, 11, 12. That's that part, yeah. So far that is good. So 13, this. So then we go back to 10 and 11. Yes, 10 and 11. And then we go to the new part, which is 14, right? Yes, it is 14 and 15. Yeah, that should be a bass sound there. Also, I think I messed up the octave somewhere. 1, 1, 1, 1. No, this is ones all throughout. Is the middle part of Jingle Bells that deep? Huh. Oh, that's interesting. And is this the organ? No, this is the first sound. Oh, that's the difference, right? I think this is the organ. And this is... Yep, that's the difference. Okay, it was the instrument. I was like, this is way too different. Hold on, from the start. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's not that weird. Now that it is correct. Nope. Okay, no, I'm getting tagged bombed on Discord and it is making me angry that I see the notification on the outside. Okay, so... But this sound is higher than this. What the hell? Is the second hand that higher up? Oh, that's a whole octave, right? I cannot count from this far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, that's 10 notes higher. What the hell? Why is 10 higher? It's weird. I cannot read music. Just for my safety, for legal reasons. I'm just stupid. I need a deep sound at the end of this. Hold on. Because it is making me angry. Here we go. I don't know which note this should be. I personally don't like sheet music that much. Me neither. But probably because I can't read it. Why people need to do such complicated things? I don't even know what the last note should be here. I just know it should be something deep. Oh, that's way too deep. Oh, that's like Hello Mother deep. We don't need these. Almost. Is it just a C on the same octave? Oh yeah, it's a C. Okay. Now it has like an ending, or at least that's how I know the song in my head. Just waiting for the drums to make it funky. I'm not waiting for the drums because I need to figure out how to write drums for this. And also we probably should have a second set that is either on a different instrument or it is one octave lower, because one higher is gonna kill me. Pop, 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 pom. Coffee Streambot. Hold on, I need a note. A sticky note. Because I need to write down how the music goes. So I can remember it. Royal Road Progression, I still have that from the last stream. So it is 10, 11, 12, 13, and I'm 10, 11, 12, 14, 10, 11, and 14, 15. So let's copy 10. Hello. And let's play 16 with this, because that is the other half of it. No. Do we need to go down? Yeah. Okay, that is not the solution here, I guess. Ow, my ears, I'm sorry. I don't like these waves. Like, these are nice and the organ is nice. It's just too deep, right? For the hell? Oh, it's the same note. That's why. I find the square poles to be harder to use than the triangles. Yeah, same. It just sound weird, these ones. I don't know what to do with these, to be honest. How to... Like, on the twos, this is gonna be too high for me. So let's... Yeah, that's just too high for me, to be honest. And this is barely hearable. Sounds weird on the organ, for some reason. Try the detune. Oh, that is a nice idea, Xstar. Thank you. Also, welcome. How you doing? Detune. Hope you're having an amazing weekend. Good about this. One level of dampen. We need this more bigger length. So 11 is the start. 10 is the start, I'm sorry. 16, 17, detune dampen. Yep. And give me 16. No, it's 17. Oh, I need both earplugs for this. Am I playing two different things here? Instrument 5, D-tune. Oh, this is a smaller D-tune. That's nice, I think. It's like that stupid instrument with the hand accordion. I think that's what it reminds me. Like how that's always like sounds janky. So let's... But feel free to tell me that it sounds wrong. I'm open. Not a music guy. 18. Hold on. Which did I... 18 is the F part. Copy 18. And we need 14. And we need 15. This is detuned and dampened. This is detuned and dampened. This is detuned and dampened. And 6 is the difference. Okay. 18. 18. 19. So anyone has a drum pattern for jingle bells? Or do I need... How many? Was it 6? It is 6. Do I need to improve something? This is 12. This is not 12, 20, and this is 21. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's almost like I can copy something from the internet. Drums. We need drums. Jingle, bell, drum, pattern, beat. Don't give me something crazy, please. Internet, be merciful. Oh, what is this? These are the 16th, right? What the hell? Drums. Oh, well. Oh, beginner. That's what I need. That is what I need. So you just have a simple 1-1s that are just ascending. Unlimited access to all sheets. Yeah, I have unlimited access. This is right in front of me. Here are my friends. Put on your hats. So just a 1-1, but down, up, down, up. I don't know what this... I think this is the muted symbol. But I could be very wrong on that. So let's go. Let's go here. Speed is 6 to match the others. I forgot what I do for the drum sound. I think it is the 3, right? I don't know. It's what was it? It is middle and up middle. What are those? It is an F and an upper C. Okay. PICO-8. So we are doing an F. Where is an F? There is an F, and we are doing a C1 above. Can we do 0, 1? Oh, this is one further than it should be. This is the free one, right? Yeah, that's the pom-pom. So we do pom-pom, pom-pom, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. So we have this up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, okay. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. What? Hold on, one of this is... No, a pair of this is one SFX for us. So we just go FC. So we just do this again. That's not very creative. So we do up, down, up, down, up, down. And then we go another up, down, up, down. And at the end, we do something else. I don't know what this X is yet again. So we go... where is that note? What the hell? It is the top one, which is one full note above C, which is E, right? So it is E, E. This part is... where is the E? E, E. And back down to F. And we have a empty note. What the hell is that that X? Is that like some kind of muted? How do you mute a sound on the drums? Because I think on the guitar this was when you held down the strings. Also, fuck off. Go away. Oh, thank you. So the chorus has a different one, but... oh, this is different. Oh, I made something bad. This is the intro. We need the chorus and the verse, right? Because the chorus part is the second part of the Jingle Bell song. Like this, right? Also, we need some kind of high kick or snare or what the fuck that is called. Oh, we'll see. So we need, what is this? It's 22. You cannot hear anything from this. There's such a drum sound. Maybe if we go... This sounds so wrong. Bucket drumming Jingle Bell. So this is a titita. It's a half-half, full half-half full. So it is half-half and a full. But we start up and go down. L on top, R on top. What the fuck is L on top and R on top? Yeah, this is a much more jumpy drum part. Oh, that's too much. So do we need to just stick to this? This is the volume, right? Yeah. What if I do this as the symbols? I think that's they're called. And I think for this the 5. This is better. I think. Once you get it in random delete nodes. Hold on. This sounds off. I had a much better. Oh, I don't need the 5 here. And play it quieter. This is the part of. And he says small. This one says give me this, give me this. We do C here. Not C here. We do, hold on. Oh, I have it reversed, right? It's up, down, but down, up, not up, down. Oh my god, okay. So this is C, F, 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 right? It's C. No, this is a whole note, and here we need this. No, this is the. Because it's one full note, then 2 short notes, then yet again 2 short notes. And now the lead port is really high. It's like almost an octave higher. And this is yet again just a simple. Note. Oh no, let me do just the drum sounds. Dum, 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 dum. I mean, technically, it's there, but it sounds so weird. Also, this is not its own. I'm just stupid and cannot even read things. This comes to here. It's the end of the first SFX. It comes to here. I guess. We have this next, same for the next. So this is also playing 22. Then we have the same again, still 22. And now we have something different because the end. Oh, you cannot see it. Oh, fuck my life. So this end is same, different a bit. Like this. So this is one SFX. This is the same as this one. This is also the same. And now we have a different ending to the same SFX. So we copy this, copy here, and the ending is now this part, the one note and the two shorts. Then we have these two. So this is the other two short notes. Oh no, we have, the hell is this? So we have a long note. Yes. We have two short. Yes. And then we have this corniche over here. What are you? Triplets. But why are you different than this? You are indicated the same way than these. Like, to me, this just looks like also messed up again. Oh, I'm stupid. Hold on. So this is this part, this. Then you have the one and the two short, and now we have this corniche in the end, which to me just seems like also this is not the right note here. This is the first part of this. This is not the right one, this one. This is yet again a C. And now this looks like, to me, it's just like, but it's like not 6 notes. It's just 4. How the hell do you put there 6 notes? Like, do you do this? Yeah, that sounds like the doubling. Whoa. So this is a C. Here as well. Where's the C? Where's the C? So now this is 20. This is the 23. Whoa, that is just brown. at the end. So this part, the next part is yet again the the 22 twice, right? Yeah, it's the same as the first part. So 22, 22, and the last one, this is still the 22, and now we have a bigger shred than the first one. What the fuck is that? So we grab this, paste in this. So this is the, I need to switch the sounds, by the way, yeah, still, because it is going from low to high. So this is the C, this is the C, and this is the F. C, F. And this is okay, because, yeah, C, F, C, F. And then we have this, whatever there is, this part. So this is Fs, right? I think we use the Fs for that. Yeah, we use the Fs. So it's like FF, FFF, and yet again. Oh no, we go one up. What is a bit above F? Do we go full note? We go a full one, so that is an A, not an F, not a G. And then we do, we go back down, so this is a G, and the G, yet again. And what are you? You are the E, right? Oh, it's, no, it's the D. And we free all this. That just sounds funny. What? Let's go. Was it 24? Yeah, it was 24. the drum shredding at the end. On the end. It's just way too funny for me. I don't like the I think they are called kicks, right? This sound. Yep. What do I need to do with you? I don't like you. No, this is also C and F. So it's flipped all the way. Let's bring the, I think it's called high kick. My friend is gonna be so angry at me because he actually does music. What the hell are you saying? Think. This is like when you call an overqualified drummer to the Jingle Bells party. Like that one video on the internet where the guy is dressed up as a blood droplet and just does a drum solo at the end of the little kid song. I need to find it video sometime soon. So let's save this before we override it somehow. Hide the browser, go back to the code, and just call the SFR, the music. What is the code for it? Hold on. The call. Is it MSC? It's not MSC. MSX? No? Is it just music? It is music, okay. That's how you know I'm tired. I don't even know what the API is. It may be a bit too loud. We need to adjust that. Yeah, it's way too loud. Hold on. You cannot adjust volume by code, right? You need to actually volume the song. And now Smelly is gonna correct me. Okay. Well, actually, you poke the memory somewhere, then you can do. You can go. I think we can go even quieter a bit. I'm not sure how it pickups on your end. I need to figure out the sound balance because I tinkered with it so it's different on the stream end than what's inside my ears, because I think at some point the music was way too loud in my ears and wasn't even hearable the other end. Let's go to 1 and see how quiet that is compared to before. Oh, that's too quiet. Ah! It's tinkering hell. Just let me out. It's just a quick jam project, Morty, jumping in 2 minutes at max. Journey to be done by a weekend. What? Shoot. There's something weird. Incoming ad break. Okay, we're gonna have an ad in a minute. It seems like. Yes, Twitch honey, I'm gonna play an ad. Feel free to jump out, hydrate, stretch your legs and arms. I'm gonna do the same. It's a little bit of break for everyone. Something funny happens with the sound, I feel. Oh, this is a good trick to get Santa quickly to your level, if you wiggle back and forth. Okay, we have SFX and music. We have particles, so technically we are done. Ad break in progress. Too little scratchy, stretchy, drink some water, take your meds if you have some. Little sanity break for everyone. Free Render Slayer. Okay, let's see if we can somehow animate this reindeer better. I need some references. Let me look. Reindeer run reference. Okay, that is way too much frames for us. We just have 4 basically. So we have 1. So let's have 1 where the legs are out. This is like the galloping state. Copy C, copy V. So then we have a frame where this leg is more in. This leg is basically staying almost the same out here. And these legs are coming in. What is this music? Then we have... Hold on, I don't like this music. Dubstep is not my genre, to be honest. It's far from me. So then we have 1 where the legs are basically crossed. I mean... Hold on, let me... Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And we will see if this will work. Like, I don't have the space for a billion frames. So now that we have the actual frames drawn, let's go to the coding. And when we are when we are drawing the player, which is this. Oh, this is Santa. This is the reindeer. Here we're gonna say local sprite to draw equals 5 plus we need to somehow divide 30 frames into 4 categories because that's 1 second. So how can you do that? You cannot really do that accurately, right? Because with 4 it should be either 28 or 32. Time or and this is sprite to draw. Platform over click on T. Oh yeah, we have ticks, not T. We have tick inside this code. Huh. Times 2, because we have 2 frames. No? Huh, it's not changing at all. Why is it not changing? Is it not even ticks? What do we have? SR. It is tick. What? Oh, this isn't. Oh, fuck my life. This is sprite to draw. Sprite data is inside my. Whoa! That rain they do be scooting. Meow. I think that's a bit too fast. Poor boy. Just trying to survive. So let's do this by 8. Divide it by 2 so it's slower. And then times 2. Oh, and we need to floor this whole thing. And now times 2. Now it is slower. Poor Reindeer doing his best. Yeah, we might change the bombs to... Ray up, welcome, welcome. How you doing? How you doing? So excited for this game. Thank you. We're just trying to give some movement to our poor reindeer. It's not perfect. It is far, far from perfect. Because we don't have... I mean, we have the sprite space for it, but it's just weird to code, basically. So I'm trying to solve this whole reindeer movement in 4 frames, which is not easy. Is it as challenging as Suica Hunt? Probably not gonna be as hard as that. Even Suica is gonna get some balance changes probably down the line. Yeah, that just looks weird. Okay, let me redo that whole thing. Just the legs are in the wrong place, because I know that's not how reindeers run. Like, not any animal at that point, but yeah, so you guys gonna get some balance changes probably after some time. Like, I've got some feedback about it being way too chaotic, basically. Too many fruits on the screen at once, which I partly agree with. I just thought that since we are only having 20 seconds, I'm gonna throw the player right into the deep end to it and just let them figure out the rest. Your little jingle bell note. I think I might need to modify the stars so they are not stars but snow. So I think that will look much better. Also, first thing first, let's modify the bomb. I just need a baby mode. It won't be that hard. Like now it is only that hard, only this hard, because I wanted to test how Krampuses will look, but the game will scale much slower. I think at this point, every 5th second we have the new one that is spawning, and that's not gonna happen. And we're gonna limit them, and we have the Christmas bomb, which can do this basically. So we are trying to implement that next. Yeah, so at the moment it only does that when you pick it up, and I wanted to modify it so that it's a charge base, so you can press a button and use the bomb. So for that we're gonna find our player inside the init. Here we're gonna say bombs equals 0. We're gonna find the when we collide with the pickups. Pick up Santa, yes. And here, instead of exploding the Krampuses from the get-go, we're gonna get this out onto the bomb counter. We're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna say player dot bombs plus equals 1. Also, thank you for the follow, Kilua. Hope you're having an amazing weekend. Welcome, welcome. We are making a small little game for the Strawberry PICO-8 Jam. The theme is Christmas, and we only allowed 4 colors. Now we modified the debug code, so it happens on the button press, and if player.bombs is greater than 0, and we subtract 1 bomb, so we say player.bombs minus equals 1. So now it is player input based. But for this I would like to have an indication up on the some corner, so the player knows how many bombs they have. So let's draw a little bomb icon somewhere, maybe here. That's not a circle. Let's do a circle. Whoop. We're gonna save this. And now when we are drawing, we can say that sprite, this bomb sprite, which is 63, it should be around 110 and 2. Draw bomb sprite on top. What is that? Right corner. print bomb mount. We're gonna say print player.bombs. And next to it, which is 8 pixels away, so 118 3, and we're just gonna use 7. Not 7, we're gonna use red for it. So now we have a little counter up here for the bombs. And if you pick one up, it appears, and we can press the second button to kill all Krampuses on the screen. Let me grab that. Bam! And we are free. We cannot press it if it is not greater than 0. Now we have a little tool to fight back. Ba-da-bam. I also want my usual print outline code, so we can print text with outline. So we're gonna grab the outline print from my other projects, plop it in, and every place we just gonna say print outline, and we're gonna say color is 7, outline is 8. And when we print the points, yes, here we're gonna say also print outline 7 and 8. Now we should have some nicely outlined things. I think this we could flip this, so it is red in the middle and white on the outside. Yeah, I like this much better. Maybe we can flip this even, this number. This is like the end tinkering. Because technically we are finished. We just need to tinker a few more numbers around. 8.7 with one more pixel away, so it doesn't collide with the sprite now. And now that we are at it, I would love to also draw outline for the hearts. So I'm gonna grab the draw outline as well. We're gonna plop it in. And when we are drawing our hearts, which is here, we're gonna say not print. Oh, we are printing this. Hold on, we don't even need this. Haha. I thought I draw some hearts and that's what they are printed, but it is text. We just can say print outline 7, 8. And let it be not here, but subtract 1 from the eye, so it starts at the corner. I messed up. This should be white and red. So it's 8 and 7. Ding 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 ding. And we're gonna do this the same in the menu and for the end screen. So in the menu we are gonna saying print the title, print press. This is gonna be also print outline. This is also gonna be print outline. It's gonna be 8.7, 8.7, and I'm gonna draw the game drawing as well, so it looks like the game is already going. We're gonna call draw game. So it's already drawing the game, but now in the update menu we are gonna call this is update game. In the update menu we're gonna call update game. So we can move around, but we don't want a few things to happen. I don't want Krampuses, and I don't want anything else to spawn. I just want the reindeer to be pulled around. And you can do this with this ugly hack. Inside update game, we're gonna say that this is the update Krampus. So everything else starts on here. So if state, that's where we hold which state we are in. So if we are in the game, only then do every other update. Trees are needed. But Krampus is gonna move up to here as well. That only should happen also in the game. The pickup odd should only also happen in the game, and the pickup collision code should also happen only in the game. So those are up here. I need to indent these better. And this is still that one big if state equals game. I think everything else can happen, right? Odd trees, odd stars. The particle update should happen. So now everything else is basically working. Just the title is not printed because we are calling the draw menu first, printing the title, then we are calling the draw game, which clears the screen. So we're gonna flip these two. We're gonna call the game first, and we're gonna have a title on top. Whee! And this is how you have an easy interactive menu where you can run around and do stuff. And if you press X, the game should start normally. Whee! Oh, okay, almost normally. We need to reset our time because if we go back up here inside the update, here we are taking up the timer and wait, be quiet. So we are counting up the timer and the difficulty is based on the timer. So now inside update menu, when we are starting, we're gonna say also to timer should equals to 0. So it doesn't matter how many time we spend, how much time we spend out here. If we press X, the game should start on easy mode. Yeah, there is one Krampus. There's another one. So one other thing I want to do, which I think is funny, is to, when the game ends, update game over. I still want to call update game, so it is also interactive, but I want to set the player's position to be, so I want to make them to fall down basically. Can I do that here? I think we can. Can just say player.x plus equals 1, player.y plus equals 1, Santa.x plus equals 1, Santa.y plus equals 1. Not even 1, let's do it 3. So when the game ends, we should just see meow fall down to the ground. Oh, but we are not drawing the game. That's what we forgot. So in the draw game over, we want to draw the game as well. So we are calling draw game here. That's one hit. That is two hit. So if you can see, the only issue with this is that I can do some janky stuff. Where is the Krampus? Come on. There's one. There's another one. Give me one more. So I can press buttons and we just get stuck on the corner. That corner stuck is there because we are checking the player's position and setting it back to the screen inside update game here. So we also want to update this to only happen when we are in the game or we are in the menu. So with other words, this whole player movement code should only happen if we are not dead. So if not state equals game over. So if we are in the menu or inside the game, we should move around the player just fine. But if the game is over, we took away the control and let Santa and the reindeer fall. Huh, we messed up something. Because now... So the fall down happens just fine. Oh, this local should be out here. This is the issue. Because if you put the local in here, the moved, it will only exist inside this if. But if you put it up here, then it is different. It is in the whole update. You see, now I can drag Santa around yet again. And now we just fall down. And this should happen if I want to kill the Krampuses when we die. Because otherwise we would need to do some jank over here to allow this code to run. So like when the game ends, we want to still move the Krampuses, but we do not want to add more Krampus. Which is tricky. We would do... Yeah, we do not want to run this code and this code. Right, we want the pickups to resolve. I mean, that's not that hard, hold on. So we say the Krampuses can move either if we are in the game or the state is game over. So we let them move off the screen when the game is over, but we will restrict adding new into the game only if the game is running. So if state equals game. So this way, if we die, the Krampus is still update and move off the screen, but we do not add any more. So we just fall down, they move off the screen, and the game is over. So this is the effect I wanted to achieve. That's why we have that this weird if combination, because this part moves the Krampuses, this part moves the pickups. So these are all or state equals game over. So these all should run either when we are playing or when we are dead and the game wants to clear out the screen. But we only add new stuff to the game when we are gaming and not game overed. If that makes sense. I hope it makes sense. So we go back to draw game over. We change these prints to print outline as well. And we say 8s and 7s. So my outline code is basically a PICO-8 print wrapped where the last number is the outline color for the text. So this is just the same as doing any other PICO-8 print call, but we are adding this white outline to it. One hit? No? I don't want to pick that up. And also, we don't want to print the game score. This. We only want to do this when the game is running, because on the end game we have another print for the score. This state equals game. So now we can die properly. It sounds weird, but and you can start the game. Let me grab another music list. I'm getting a bit tired of synthwave. So the only thing left that we like to do is to have a savable high score, so the player can try and beat their own high score. So for that you need to add a card data info here, and I'm gonna cheat because I'm tired. Where is the 20-second game code? It's up here. 30 sec. You say card data. So you need to call this card data function with a string. This is gonna create the file where the player data is saved. So we're gonna call this strawberry. So upon init, PICO-8 gonna either create this or open it. And now you can play around with it. So you can grab data out by saying local high score equals dget. So this dget is data get, and grab out the first data. We're gonna say if high score equals nil. So if there is no data, then high score should be 0. So we can beat this high score. And now when we die, so let me go to state equals game over. Here, this is where we die. Here we want to check the following. Check if our current score is higher than the old high score. So say if score is greater than high score, then we're gonna put this data instantly into the card data. So for that you call dset and index, and I think the number, but the data, but let us call man is for manual, and dset. And yeah, it says we say an index and the value. So we say 0 and we're gonna put the score in. And now inside the menu, we can, inside menu and game over, maybe we can print high scores. Sadly, Rhea, if you're still here, without an outside database, you cannot do high scores, global high scores for PICO-8 yet. The creator is working on it, and we are waiting on it. But if you do not have some kind of server where you can push out the data, then you cannot have global ones. You can race against local high scores. So if you could input names while the high score is on, you could race against your local high scores, but global is not possible yet without a server, and I don't have a server running. So maybe when this whole Twitch stuff looks off, then we can have a cheap server running where I can push data out from my games. The print state we don't want anymore. So inside the menu, we want to print. Hold on, not always, only if we have a high score. So if high score is greater than 0, then we're gonna say print outline high score, and we append the high score to it. We're gonna say 2, 2, 8, and 7. And okay. And we want to print this inside the game over as well. So we're gonna grab this, and we're gonna do it with the game over. So now we should have local high scores. Unclosed function 241. Update the game, so probably where I added the new high score system. I forgot something. Yes, you can see here that this if doesn't have its end because that was this. I need a new one for this check where we do the player high score check. Attempt to combo number with nil. 499? What? If high score equals nil, yeah, but aren't we setting that here? So this is where value set high score to 0. I think I just need this. No. What? Oh, that's not local high score. This is a global variable just like player or center. So if you say local, then things only basically, like not truly, but this is the easy way to think about it. If you say local somewhere, that variable is gonna exist only that indentation level. So now inside this function, if I have it somewhere like inside this, there would be a local ASD, then that ASD only exists in this if, so it can help to not tangle data up. Now we need to get rid of this, because if we exit in it, then it's not gonna exist anymore. Oh, we have a life and a bomb counter. Maybe we also, but not maybe, we need to get rid of those as well. So we go down to game draw, and this player life, we only want to do that also while the game is running. And the same for the bombs. Where are the bombs? These. You want to only draw them when the game is running. We have no high score, so that is why there is no data up here. So let's try to see if we can. So we have 13 high score. Let's try to die. So if score is greater than high score, that is not score, that's the issue. So if we go to 333, so if we go here, then play this. So here this is not score. We have score inside player, so this should be player score. So if we go up to the init where we have the player, you can see that score is inside the player object. So we have a score of 3. Core data can only be called once. Oh, okay. So then I need to... Where is this? So then I need to do this up here, outside everything else. I think this will solve it. Like, I haven't encountered this issue because I always had a restart function. Oh, it didn't save. Huh. There should be a score up here. Let's turn the sound off for now. Score 5. Huh. I think we might need a proper restarting function. I'm printing those, right? Print outline, high score, high score. Oh, we need to... Oh no, the init should be taking care of that. That's the weird thing. Int age. High score. So because I'm calling... When the game is over and you press the button that is down here, I'm calling init. And that should have the high score grabbed out from here. So that's why I don't get why it doesn't update. We are slowly reaching. Do I need to say high score equals score here? Like, it should grab. the data out. I don't want to compare number with me. Yet again, what? How the hell are you still nil? Oh, because we are setting yet again score. This is player.score. And score is does not exist, so therefore it gives nil to it. Need player.score yet again. One hit. Do it. Oh, it resets. Why? Like I'm clearly putting the data. Oh, this is score. Yet again, this should be player.score. This is how you know I'm tired. We put nil into the data, and that's why it was 0. Now it persists. So now we are at 13. Now it's 13. Ugh. Saturday night coding, that's what happens. And it didn't get overwritten. Strawberry jam. So now we only need a better name for the game. We grab the usual made. Oh, I'm doing a different thing here, right? Yeah, we are saying credits here. So we are grabbing this. This is just a text. You can say whatever you want to there. I just want to print for what the game was made. What is update menu? Not update. Draw menu. What? Opa, this is not that project. That's why it doesn't find it. Draw menu. So here I'm gonna say local credits equals made for, hold on, strawberry jam Xmas print outline credits 64 minus. This is how you can line text in the middle. You subtract from the middle point the length of the string twice. 110 87. The made for doesn't fit, so we just say 4. Local by it's 120 Oh, this is capitalized. It should be lowercase. So now we have the credits in. We have your high score in. You just need a good name. How about Slay Away? Does that sound fun? I think it does. Slay Away. And now, do I want some fancy text for it? I can still go until the food is here. So how do we want to do this? Break starting in a minute. Let's hope I can finish it by then. We say A. Slay away. I'm just drawing some outlines. I need this view, to be honest. Bum, 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 bum. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So we save this, and now we can draw it on the screen. We can just say, so instead printing this, we will call an SPR for 64. We're gonna put it, I don't know, into 3030. No, that's gonna be to 2020. And we're gonna say that the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprite, 6 long. And the height is 2. And if we reboot, we have Slay Away. I might SSPR this and scale it up to 2 times. Hold on. So with SSPR, you can fine-tune things much better. SSPR. But I always forgot the exact numbers, or like the parameters. Hello? Thank you. So we do SSPR. We are giving the upper left rectangle in the sprite sheet. So we are saying this pixel up here for SSPR, which is 0, 0 with X and 32 with Y. Then we are giving the width of the rectangle in the sprite sheet as number of pixels. So we give this width, which is from 0, X is the width, so it's 0. And we're going to 45. So it's 45 in width, and in height it is 8. So this 8, and the G is going 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 12 in height. Then you are calling the position on the screen. So it is 2020. You yet again describe the size you want. So now we're just gonna say 90 and 24. So this is gonna blow it up to 2x basically. I think, right? Yes, I think this is it. So let's see. Oh yeah, we have this big Slay Away text. So now let's move the press X a little bit lower. And let's do it in caps, so it is flipped inside PICO-8, so it is puny text press to start. Slay Away! Start, not star. Start. And now we only need to tune down the number of Krampuses that are spawning. And I think we are fine for the game. Yeah, if we tune down the Krampus number, then we are fine. So that's easy. When we add Krampuses, we go add Krampus. This is where we calculate. So we're gonna say not timer./5, but timer/10. And also we're gonna clamp this, so it's gonna be a minimum. So Krampus odd is gonna be the minimum of Krampus to odd, or 4, I think. So at max we are adding 4 Krampuses at once. With 4 you should have some space to evade. Hold on, let me go back to 5 here, so it is faster to ramp up the difficulty. Yeah, this is 4. I think 4. Maybe we can go with 5. I think we can go with 5. Let me pull this down even more so it ramps up even faster, so we can experience the end game. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5. Yeah, I think 5 is totally doable still. So yeah, this is Slay Away. Hold on. Give me my jingle bell. And that is Slay Away. This Wiggles threat is what's gonna be really cool. I need to move the moon 1 pixel up so it doesn't collide with the text. So the moon is the circle called, this is the moon. So it is at 9. Oh no, that's the size, hold on. Back to 10, this is the Y position. The music gets really funky for some reason when I reload. One more. Yeah, now it is away. Okay, so now the only 2 things we need to do is grab up here. You can, with 2 dashes, define the game's name. So it is Slay Away, and you can do the little text by. So when you export the card, this is gonna be on it. And the other thing I want to do is create a label image. But for the label, I don't want everything to appear. So I want to say, I want to get rid of this, 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 this. I want only this two. And now if we press F7, we're gonna capture a label image. We say Ctrl S, And now this little image is inside the export card. So let me say let me say export slay away dot p8.png. And now if I grab it, I can show you how it will look. So it looks like this now. We captured the cover image with F7. We have the name on the card, and we have my name on the card. So yeah, let me go back to odd Krampus. Here we do this with 10. And probably that's it. I'm gonna export this. I'm gonna make a little web page for it. And then it's gonna be published. So we are completed with our... almost completed. Now we can remove these comments. So now we can print the data because we already captured the label. I will also add some comments to the code, so everyone who wants to look into it can do with more ease, because there are some lines that we haven't commented, and I want to have basically everything commented. But otherwise, that's it. So thank you everyone who tuned in. On the YouTubes, we have the videos up for the development. There is a new playlist where you can follow all the development. And on my socials you can drop a follow, and you can get notified when the game is up. It's gonna be either late tonight or tomorrow morning, because it's night for me. I'm EU timed. Hype! It is hype! Finally it's finished. We can rest with ease for the rest of the week. So yeah, thank you everyone who tuned in. Hopefully you are looking forward to playing the game. It will be available soon. The little slay away. And yeah, check out all the other games, because the gem is ending tomorrow. So we're gonna see how many games. Oh, that was some echo, I'm sorry. We'll see how many entries we will have in the end. So yeah, once again, thank you everybody who tuned in. I hope you're gonna have a nice rest of your day and have a nice weekend. Thank you and bye bye.